In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Google AdSense account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned blogger, a new content creator, or you're looking to monetize your existing website with ads, setting up a Google AdSense account is a crucial step. Through this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, ensuring you can follow along with ease and clarity. Let's begin the journey to unlocking potential earnings through your online content. First off, navigate to the Google AdSense website. You can easily do this by either searching Google AdSense in your preferred search engine or by typing adsense.google.com/start/ directly into your browser's address bar. This page serves as your gateway to starting with AdSense, presenting you with all the necessary information you might need to know before diving in. Once you're on the Google AdSense start page, your next action is to sign in. Look for a sign in button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this button will lead you towards the login process. If this is your first time, the simplicity of the sign-in process might surprise you. However, it's a straightforward path toward making your content work for you. After clicking on sign in, Google will prompt you to select an account. If you're already logged into a Google account, it might directly present that account as an option. Otherwise, if you manage multiple Google accounts, for instance, one for personal use and another for your blogs or business, make sure to choose the account you want to associate with your AdSense. This step is crucial because all ad revenues will be linked to this Google account. It's always a good practice to use a dedicated account for your business or monetization activities to keep things organized and separate from your personal emails and services. Selecting the appropriate account will advance you to the next phase of the process. Google will now verify your account and ensure that you meet the basic criteria to apply for AdSense. Remember, Google places a high value on the quality of content and the legitimacy of your site or blog. It's all part of their commitment to maintain a trustworthy ecosystem, both for creators and advertisers. Throughout the application process, be ready to provide details about your website or the content platform you wish to monetize. Google AdSense requires specific information to ensure that your site complies with their advertising policies and guidelines. This might include the URL of your website, the language your content is in, and more. Knowing these details in advance can save you precious time. Once you've submitted all the necessary information, Google will take some time to review your application. This review process is thorough, as Google checks to ensure your site adheres to their ad policies and provides value to advertisers. While waiting, make sure your website is at its best. Ensuring high quality content and a good user experience can contribute positively to your application's success. Upon approval, you'll have access to the AdSense dashboard. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to create ad units, monitor your earning reports, and customize how ads are displayed on your site. The dashboard is user-friendly, and Google offers a wealth of resources and tutorials to help you maximize your earnings. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through setting up a Google AdSense account. Remember, the AdSense journey doesn't stop at opening an account. It's a continuous process of optimizing your content and ads to ensure the best performance. Be proactive in learning and adjusting your strategies. Google AdSense provides regular updates and tools that can help you better understand your audience and how to cater to them with your ads. In sum, setting up a Google AdSense account opens up a realm of possibilities for monetizing your online content. By following these steps, you've laid the groundwork for generating revenue through your website or blog. Keep creating great content, monitor your AdSense performance, and you'll be on your way to making the most out of your digital presence. Thank you for tuning in to today's tutorial. We've gone from start to finish on opening your Google AdSense account, and I hope you feel equipped and ready to embark on this exciting journey. Remember, consistency and quality are keys to success in the AdSense world. Happy earning, and see you in our next guide.